नहमदहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम. It is with great joy that the book Nisab-e-Tasawwuf is finally set to make its public appearance, eagerly awaited by caliphs, followers, disciples, believers, and enthusiasts for many years. Soon, through the benevolence of my mentor, the Hazrat Maroof Peer Madzillahul Aali, it will be unveiled to the public. Nisab-e-Tasawwuf can be translated as the syllabus of Sufism. This book serves as a guiding light, taking a disciple on a journey from initiation to the highest level of spiritual attainment. Within its pages, my esteemed mentor has bestowed the illumination of his knowledge, a light that will continue to guide seekers of truth until the day of judgment. The book adopts a question and answer format, presenting answers to every query in an engaging manner using simple and captivating language that resonate with the heart. Those who possesses insight will understand the depth of the book by merely looking at its title. The title itself hints at the treasure concealed within the pages of Nisab-e-Tasawwuf. The importance of this book is heightened by the fact that until now, no one has compiled such a multitude of insights into a single volume. This remarkable contribution by my esteemed mentor is evident in the fact that he has encapsulated all these teachings within the pages of Nisab-e-Tasawwuf. Just as Surah Ikhlas is referred to as one-third of the Quran, similarly, Nisab-e-Tasawwuf holds a significant place in the world of Sufism. This book encompasses the principles, rules, conditions, and all the essential teachings of Sufism that are crucial for a disciple to understand on their path of spiritual development. When you delve into the study of this book and extract the wisdom it contains, you will undoubtedly find my claim to be true. The immense gratitude I owe to my esteemed mentor is reflected in his generosity of sharing his profound knowledge, transforming a seemingly unworthy individual like me into a recipient of his wisdom, a true gem that he has graciously documented for the benefit of all. Now the wait is over. Inshallah, soon the books will be released. Wama alayna illal balag.